Dogecoin, Doge, in every practical sense, is a mineable coin that for the most part is at present exchanged at $0.059067 per unit, with the market capitalization of $8,349,268,074, that in a real sense makes it a mid-position digital currency in an unobtrusive manner. Computerized resources like Dogecoin in a real sense have currently generally turned into the point of convergence of consideration, not just for in every practical sense, retail financial backers and examiners, yet additionally for genuinely huge institutional financial backers who fundamentally see Dogecoin and the remainder of digital currencies as a really viable all things considered support against expansion that takes a kind of weighty cost for the worldwide economy, or so they thought. Thusly, having essentially a piece of the portfolio gave to crypto basically is for all intents and purposes an unquestionable requirement for any merchant and financial backer who needs to sort of develop his abundance over the approaching 10 years. Fundamentally further appearance how subsequently, having basically a piece of the portfolio dedicated to crypto basically is essentially an unquestionable requirement for any dealer and financial backer who needs to develop his abundance over the approaching 10 years in an especially large manner. Be that as it may, with it comes the need to intently follow the advancements on the expressed market to fathom what is happening and essentially have some feeling representing things to come, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. This Dogecoin cost expectation model generally was made to assist a peruser with exploring through the quickly advancing crypto space, explicitly track down the practically the best coins or tokens to put resources into and keep the value bend developing, essentially in spite of prevalent thinking. In any case, prior to diving into the overall Dogecoin examination and cost forecast, we might want to help you to remember the sort of fundamental principles of cryptographic money exchanging and speculation, which is very huge. So, we should zero in on the Dogecoin market, its sort of current standings, as well as the mid-term and truly long-haul cost expectation that in every practical sense depends on the readings of our exclusive crypto unpredictability file, CVIX, or so they thought. Right now, the cost of Dogecoin truly remains at $0.059067, and this very specific computerized resource truly stands firm on the 11th foothold in the worldwide digital money positioning, most certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. For exceptionally your data, the actual positioning of each and every cryptographic money for the most part is vigorously dependent on its especially current market capitalization and value, and is determined by duplicating these two factors, something that our framework continually does to supply you with the most modern data on the resource being referred to. Likewise, to get a by and large better in a real sense handle of the market circumstance and sort of figure out the fundamentally broad course of the pattern, or to explicitly enroll its non-appearance, it's likewise vital to essentially examine the verifiable cost information pertinent to the market under survey, or so they essentially thought. Yesterday, on October 9, the cost of Dogecoin sort of remained at $0.061014 at the end of the genuinely day-to-day exchanging meeting, which is a 0.38% distinction when contrasted with the in every practical sense current cost. 7 days prior, on October 3, the Dogecoin market commonly remained at $0.062084 as the consequence of the endeavors of all market members. As the outcome, the cost for the most part moved by 0% corresponding to its current standing. A month prior, on September 10, Dogecoin really was valued at $0.063408, which essentially matched with our cost expectation for that specific period in an unpretentious manner. Contrasted with the really present place of Dogecoin, it addresses a 6.85% cost move, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. At the point when it for the most part comes to digital currencies, market capitalization serves significantly more as a mark of the coin's offer or predominance in contrast with the remainder of the market. Alongside its general fame with the worldwide crypto local area and financial backers in an unobtrusive manner. Numerous digital money brokers view market capitalization as a kind of key marker to sort of be considered prior to pursuing exchanging choices, which truly is very huge. It truly is determined by duplicating the very absolute number of coins that generally are right now available for use, flowing stock, by the genuinely current cost of Dogecoin, which, as currently referenced, by sort of stands at $0.059067, which in every practical sense is very huge. Considering that equation, we have determined the ongoing business sector capitalization of Dogecoin to by and large be at $8,349,268,074. which legitimizes its place as the 11th coin among those really present on the digital currency market, which is genuinely critical. Yesterday, on October 9, the market capitalization of Dogecoin remained at $8,623,244,900, keep going weak. On October 3, the by and large aggregate sum of in every practical sense capital committed to Dogecoin certainly was laid out at $8,769,513,059. The information from a month prior, enlisted on September 10, shows that Dogecoin especially had a market capitalization of $8,936,865,528. Which generally is genuinely critical. All-out supply focuses to the quantity of coins that have proactively been mined, printed, or generally made and fundamentally are either flowing available or secured in designers or alternately holders' truly cool wallets amazingly. The especially complete stock likewise considers any coins that for the most part have been scorched, put unavailable for general use, to keep a sound expansion rate. It can generally be contrasted with the quantity of remarkable portions of an organization that for the most part is public on the financial exchange. The complete stockpile of Dogecoin as of now in every way that really matters remains at 141,351,806,384 Doge in a by and large enormous manner. As currently made sense of, the flowing stockpile generally is the most ordinarily involved commonly metric for deciding a market capitalization of a cryptographic money being referred to, which in every way that really matters is very critical. It relates with the especially the best estimation of the in every practical sense, in general number of coins that sort of are public on cryptographic money trades and really add to their liquidity in an unpretentious manner. Their volume doesn't for the most part incorporate the coins that sort of are vested, marked in extremely shrewd agreements, secured in computerized wallets, or basically put unavailable for general use in an unpretentious manner. The coursing supply sort of is essentially what could be compared to the drifting stockpile of offers in the securities exchange in a significant way. At this moment, the coursing supply of Dogecoin really is assessed at 141,351,806,384 Doge in a very significant manner. Moreover, the perusing of exchanging volume can help one sort of decide better passage and leave focuses on the grounds that is indicated by the standards of specialized examination, critical cost moves, pattern inversions. Or combinations frequently really happen at the cost levels that for the most part are joined by generally sort of high volume, since those fundamentally are the volumes where enormous cash basically had essentially become an integral factor, which by and large is very huge. As per our information, the exchanging volume on the Dogecoin market fundamentally was as per the following. Over the especially beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with the Dogecoin market added up to $187,573,819, so their volume doesn't by and large incorporate the coins that certainly are vested, marked and especially shrewd agreements, secured in computerized wallets. Or for the most part placed unavailable for general use in a genuinely enormous manner.